Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So this week I have come up with a new idea for a vlog series. Every week I will find a photo that I really like from someone else. I will see what I like about it, analyze the photo, check those aspects that I like, and take those from that photo and create my own photo with it, from the idea of this other photo. This will be kind of like a journey process. So I will document my journey of having found the photo, analyzing it, trying to recreate it in my own way. But it will also be like a tutorial, so when I figured out how someone did it, I will try and tell you guys this as well. So I hope this will be both fun to watch and educational. So also known as infotainment or edutainment. I don't know which I like better. Either way, I hope you like this, and yeah, let's get started with this first photo. Okay, so for this first post, or for this first photo of this weekend, I've saved a post by Marina Williams. She is an American photographer who has tried some self-portraits since quarantine last year. So she's taken a series of self-portraits with her whole body in it, and that's something I've been working on for myself this past couple of weeks. Well, I've been thinking about it in my head and somewhat working on it. I've tried one. But she's actually standing here and she has some nice photos of her whole body doing poses. So I'm just gonna take a good look at them. She's also filmed some behind the scenes footage, which I can use as inspiration. So yeah, I'm actually just gonna check some of her poses, and from the poses I will try and create my own thingy. So the poses I will probably copy, because I'm not that great at it. This is something where I need some coaching in, and she's normally taking photos of other people, so she's posing herself kind of in a coaching way. And I'm taking that coaching towards herself as a way of coaching me as well. So I will take those from her photos and then copy those to mine, but the outfit, the edit, I will do myself. Probably the poses won't be exactly the same either way. But this is my approach to it. So every photo is unique, as long as you try to put your own spin on it and see it is a learning curve. And also credit the person you've been inspired by. I think it's not really copying, it's actually being inspired by someone, and I think that is a compliment for people. So the poses I will copy, the other things I will put my own spin on, so the outfit, the edit. But yeah, I will just try and have some fun with it, but I will do it tomorrow because today I'm a lazy shit. Hey guys, it is currently the next day, but for you it's just like I just talked. Either way, it is time for me to start doing the self-portrait. And in order to do that, I need some space to stand. So I'm going to move over the couch. I hope that I have enough space there. And then I'm gonna choose an outfit. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna take another look at the example or inspiration pictures. Okay, so I've changed my outfit. I'm gonna set up this camera that I'm shooting on right now to take the photo. So I'm gonna be shooting on my backup camera for this part of the video. I hope the quality is okay, because it is not 4K. Probably will be fine. So I'm gonna set up the camera, try some poses that Marina used, and see how it goes. And I'll talk to you guys when I upload them to the computer. Hey guys, it is a couple of days after I've taken the photos, and I've just imported the photos and picked a few. So now it's time to go and edit those. Okay, so we have 4 photos picked right here. Yeah, I'm the biggest fan of this last one. I just tried a few of the poses that Marina used as well. I've noticed that my camera had a little flag on it. So I will just go and select the last 3 because in between I kind of zoomed and see that this is the spot where there's this dust on my camera, and I'm just gonna go over it with the healing tool here in Lightroom. Click it and it'll probably be gone. So now I'll just select them all and I go over my presets and see which one looks the best. No, I am going with this one. I just need to add a bit of exposure to it. Okay, so I've given them all a quick edit. I'm going to pick the one that I like the most, or the 2 maybe. I like this one really. I think my phone in there is just weird. My hand might be a bit weird here. I like this one as well, so I'll open those 2 up in Photoshop and yeah, take all of the distracting elements out of there. Okay, so we have Photoshop and it is opened up and it did something weird. Okay, so this one first, I'm gonna duplicate the background layer so that if I fuck up, I still have the base picture. And now I'm just gonna go over it and see what I want in there, what I want to take out. Maybe I'll actually just get the marquee tool. And just use shift to select more than just this. Trying to get over it.
Coffee?
Yes.
Yeah, coffee?
Yeah. And then we say content aware fill. Now I hope it does something nice. Okay, that looks okay. That looks about good enough. It might not be completely accurate, but it looks way better already. Now I'm just going to use the spot healing brush tool to go over these edges. Hello guys, we are back. I took a quick break because coffee, and also it wasn't quick. It was definitely not quick because I had a meeting afterwards. So we are back. Currently this is the state of the photo. It's good that I took a break to take some time away from it. Didn't like how harsh the shadow was. Kind of okay with it now. This stuff is doing. So yeah, I'm okay with it. I'll just try and take these out, although I don't think they will be possible because it is really hard to take it out because it casts some shadows on the ground and the wall. We will try either way. So yeah, that is where I'm about happy with it. Doesn't look perfect, but it is way calmer than it was before, because if we click all of these layers off, you can see what a mess it is. It's way too busy. It's a good thing that I took all of these things out. I'm just gonna do it real quickly with the other one as well, and then we'll talk about the end results, I guess. Hey guys, so we are currently done with the whole editing process, taking the photo. So let's go back. Where did we start? We started with this photo series from Marina. It was a great photographer, by the way. Love her work. But in the end, I made it my own. So I started with these ideas of poses and I built on that. The pose that you see here in this photo, it's somewhat close to one of her poses, but it isn't really close to one of her poses. And this other one that I really liked, the photo that I took here, that is a bit closer to one of her photos. I really like this experience as a practice run for taking photos, new type of photos. You don't really know what you're doing, you're just improvising and you're inspired by what someone else did. I learned a lot from this. I hope you guys liked seeing my process and are inspired by it. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and in the meantime, remember to just create.